This here is a Casablanca Marquis in polished brass. This ceiling fan has the badge style blade brackets and glossy oak blades. This Casablanca fan is from the 90s, so it has a 4.5 flywheel, but it only came with 4 blades, so that's how I'm currently using it. It has the same style switch cap that a Cali Zephyr would have, meaning the tag is obscured, so I can't exactly show you the model number or the date or anything like that, but I'll include that in the description, because I was not thinking ahead and didn't memorize it before recording this video, so. The Casablanca Marquis is definitely one of the less common Casablanca models of the 1990s. You really don't see them that terribly often, and I believe they were later renamed the Montclair, and they would sometimes come with those big wide globe light kits. This one did not come with a light kit, as you can clearly see. And this is the second Marquis I have acquired. I also have another one in white and brass that came with 5 blades. Hopefully I'll make a video on that one too eventually. Anyways, so now we'll go ahead and power the fan on. Starting with speed number 1. This fan came to me off the Jersey marketplace, 100% complete, minus a few screws. And overall, the fan is in really nice shape. No scratches or dings, the blades are well balanced, and the bearings are silent. And I mentioned earlier this fan has badge style blade brackets. Essentially what that means is, you know, the standard style Casablanca brackets is when you have the metal piece come out on front and then the screws attach to the back. But then on this particular kind you have 2 pieces. You have the actual metal piece of the bracket that goes on the back of the blade, and then the badge, quote unquote, that goes onto the front and attaches via the screws that come in from the back. So it's slightly different. Here's speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. and the gloss is making a very slight clattering noise. Which does sometimes happen. Five. Six. And there you go, a Casablanca Marquis in polished brass.